Today, we're breaking down the latest NTSB briefing on the tragic mid-air collision that happened January 29th near Washington, D.C. A U.S. Army Blackhawk helicopter and a PSA Airlines CRJ regional jet collided over the Potomac River. The NTSB just released their preliminary report. Let's get into what we know so far. The briefing was led by NTSB Chairman Jennifer Homendy, who made it clear this is just the beginning. The report contains only the confirmed facts, no conclusions yet on the cause of the crash. The focus now is on gathering data before determining why this happened. So what do we know? The report covers pilot experience, air traffic control communications, and flight recorder data. But there is a problem. The Blackhawk's flight recorder didn't capture time, date, or position, and its pressure altitude data is invalid. Investigators are now looking into how this happened and the aircraft's navigation systems. The NTSB says helicopter operations near Reagan National have been a safety concern for years, since at least 2011. There were over 15,000 close calls between commercial jets and helicopters in the last 3 years alone. The smallest separation recorded was just 75 feet. That's way too close for comfort. That's why the FAA has temporarily banned helicopters from flying this route until March 31st. But the NTSB wants something permanent. They're pushing to restrict helicopters anytime runway 1533 is in use. The investigation isn't over. Next, the NTSB will conduct simulator tests, nighttime visibility studies, and examine the Blackhawk's avionics. They're also questioning air traffic controllers and looking at whether staffing shortages played a role. Journalists had some tough questions for the NTSB. Was this an accident waiting to happen? Yes, the risk had been known for years. Why weren't the helicopters banned earlier? The FAA had the data but didn't act. Should all helicopters be banned from this area? No, just the most dangerous route. Is flying into DCA still safe? Yes, but there's room for improvement. At the end of the day, the NTSB's message is clear. Air travel remains one of the safest ways to travel, but this crash exposed a serious risk that needs to be fixed permanently. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more aviation safety updates. Thanks for joining us, and see you in the next video.